Rugby legend Doddie Weir is taking part in the largest ever trial of drugs tackling motor neurone disease, MND. The former Scotland international has confirmed that he will be involved in a £4 million clinical trial which aims to find treatments that can slow, stop or reverse disease progression. And it has been confirmed his charity My Name'5 Doddie Foundation is also part funding the project, which aims to recruit hundreds of people living with the disease to take part in one of the UK's most comprehensive clinical trials. Currently, over 400 people in Scotland are living with MND, and the trial will be open to almost every person in Scotland with the degenerative condition, which occurs when specialist nerve cells in the brain and spinal cord stop functioning properly. Of course, I'm going to be part of the trial, and I want to reach out to everyone else who has MND to register for the trial, because at the moment there is nothing there on the plate for anyone who has got MND, so it's an exciting time ahead, he said. It's a great thing to be happening in Scotland, and every patient of MND now has a positive step. I think 2020 will be an exciting time in the fight against MND. MND sees muscles waste away after a loss of nerve cells that control movement, speech and breathing, and there is no effective treatment or cure. The platform, MND Smart, is a UK-wide trial which aims to find treatments that can slow, stop or reverse progression of the terminal disease. While typical clinical trials focus on a single drug, MND Smart will allow more than one treatment to be tested at a time, giving patients a higher chance of receiving an active treatment, rather than the placebo. MND Scotland has invested £1.5 million, half of the charity's annual turnover, to allow the pioneering research it describes as groundbreaking to take place. The project, which is being led by researchers at the Ewan MacDonald Centre for MND Research at the University of Edinburgh, has been developed to find effective medicines more quickly. Researchers will initially test drugs that are already licensed for use in other conditions to check whether they offer any benefit for people with MND. It will include as many people with the condition as possible, regardless of how the disease or current treatments affect them. The first participants in the trial will be seen in Edinburgh, with other clinics across the UK joining during 2020. Dr. Suvan Karpal, neurologist and MND Smart co-investigator, Lawrence Cowan, chair of MND Scotland, and Ewan MacDonald, who is living with MND and co-founder of the Ewan MacDonald Centre for MND Research. Consultant neurologist Dr. Suvan Karpal, who works at Edinburgh University's Anne Rowling Clinic, which was founded by the author J.K. Rowling in memory of her mother, is one of the MND SMAF. For more on this story, visit the news article link.